ActiBump is an automatic speed bump on a road. It is triggered when a speeding vehicle drives over an activated piece of the road and causes a change in the level of the road. As a warning to the driver, ActiBump can be installed in roads with heavy traffic where the speed limit is 5 to 60 km per hour. This technology holds particular promise in settings where conventional speed-reducing methods, such as traditional speed bumps, may not be suitable. Its application on primary roadways, crucial thoroughfares, and routes designated for emergency vehicles could substantially contribute to enhancing safety without compromising the fluidity of traffic. The Plastic Road project addresses several important objectives, including waste reduction, resource conservation, and the development of more sustainable construction methods. By repurposing plastic waste that would otherwise contribute to environmental pollution, Plastic Road contributes to a more circular economy and a greener approach to infrastructure development. The concept aligns well with the principles of circular economy, emphasizing the importance of minimizing waste, maximizing resource use, and promoting sustainability. As Plastic Road aims to revolutionize the way infrastructure is constructed, it represents a promising step towards a more environmentally conscious and efficient approach to urban development and construction. Borough North created a smart tactile paving system that can be placed over the sidewalk so those looking down at their phone can be made aware of when it's safe to cross that you're walking down the street, glued to your phone, and suddenly you want to cross the road. That's where these special pedestrian crossing systems come into play. As you walk, they create a funny feeling under your feet and sometimes even change colors. This tells you it's safe to cross. So, even if your eyes are on your phone, they make sure you're safe while crossing the street. This thirsty concrete absorbs 880 gallons of water a minute. Here's how it works. When water hits top mix permeable concrete, it doesn't flow in all directions, slicking up the surface. It flows in one direction, down. And it vanishes almost instantly. Traditional concrete has to be permeable enough to let a minimum of 300 millimeters of water an hour through to the ground level. That allows it to safely handle a major storm event every 100 years. Top Mix Permeable, in contrast, lets through 36,000 millimeters of water an hour, or approximately 880 gallons every minute. The MSKT is 50-0 long and has 8 posts spaced at 6-3 centers. During head-on impacts, the MSKT head slides over the W-beam guardrail. The rail is sequentially kinked as it moves through the impact head. The kinked guardrail exits the head and the vehicle is brought to a controlled stop. This is the same technology that has proven to be very effective with excellent field performance seen in the NCHRP 350 SKT. When impacted along the side within the length of need, the MSKT functions like guardrail. The errant vehicle is contained and redirected. Have you seen the solar-powered road open to traffic before? The world's first solar-powered solar road with a length of 1 kilometer, called Wattway, was built in France. The road is covered with photovoltaic panels that convert solar energy into electricity. Photovoltaic is a technology that can convert about 15% of solar energy into electricity. The road is covered with photovoltaic panels that convert solar energy into electricity. Construction sites, mining areas, and places where the earth gets disturbed. You know what happens? Erosion and sediment runoff. That's where GRT, EnviroBinder, comes to the rescue. How does it work, you ask? Well, imagine a magical potion that you spray on the ground. This potion turns into a layer that hugs the soil tightly, like a warm blanket. And guess what? It stops erosion in its tracks. No more soil being carried away by wind or water. But that's not all. This awesome potion, or binder, also stops sediment from running off and polluting our water bodies. This machine is like an artist with a mission. It sprays paint on the road, creating those essential lines, symbols, and zebra crossings that guide us. It's like a painter, but instead of canvas, it's working its magic on the asphalt. But it's not just about making roads look neat, it's a safety superstar too. Those clear markings help drivers stay in their lanes, know where to turn, and even show pedestrians where it's safe to cross. It's like a helpful GPS for the road. The Zorocco M100 is a quality road surface dryer and cleaner essential in wet conditions for line marking, tape removal, waterproofing and crack resealing. Its turbine technology is very powerful, providing drying and cleaning widths of 30 to 120 centimeters at 6 kilometers per hour. The M100 diesel turbine has a total life of approximately 1,500 hours and can be replaced easily after its extended life. The 12V battery is consistently charged by the generator and is ready to use at any moment. Using the Zorocco M100 for periods of 100 hours is suggested for maximum performance. The Notebox Wall stands as a versatile and innovative flood protection system that addresses the pressing need for swift and effective flood control. Designed to counter the threat of rising waters and potential overflow, the Notebox Wall operates as a modular and interlocking barrier system. In the face of impending floods, time is of the essence, and the Notebox Wall rises to the challenge with its rapid assembly capabilities. The system's interlocking units can be efficiently connected to form a sturdy and resilient barrier, effectively creating a protective wall against the encroaching waters.